Hi guys! This is what our yard looked like from the last video when the guy came and delivered all of the trussers. These trussers right here that are on the house, we are going to be putting them up first. But before we can do that, we are going to secure them using the wall jacks. So right now my dad is putting together the wall jack so that he can put it and it would hold up the trussers. So my dad has put up one wall jack, and here's the second wall jack, and they are now holding up the trussers from falling. We set up the scaffold so it would be easier to walk and take the trussers to the back of the house. Before taking the trussers, we need to separate the pack so we can take the top one off the top. But if we snapped the piece of metal holding them all together, the bottom three would have fallen, so we had to put those pieces of wood there so they would hold the trussers up too, and the trussers wouldn't fall. This is the plan of the house and garage and where the trussers are going to go. And now we are going to move the trussers to the back of the house. So this is the first trusser coming. We are holding it like straight because if you put it down sideways, it would snap. You can only put it down like on its side if there's like a wall or something that would support it. So like right now my dad put it down because the wall is holding it up, and now we're just scooching it down of the walls we have here to the back of the house. So we've gotten one trusser to the back of the house area, and here comes the second one. So slowly we are getting all of the trussers to where we need them, and we're putting them up. We're connecting them to each other so they have the same space from each other like we have in our plans. And the thingy right there that my dad's using is like a cone on a piece of string. It's so that the wall is vertically up and the top where the string is tied matches the bottom. So we've gotten a lot of the trussers done. It's the next day. we're almost done. Got probably a couple trussers to go, and then the side trussers. So we've gotten all of the big trussers up, and now the small side trussers are left. Like right here, we've put them up, and it all looks really nice. So this is all of the trussers. We've put them all up. Everything looks really nice. And thank you for watching this video. And now at the end, there's a little video that we took with our drone. So hope you enjoy it.